Hi everyone, and in this video I'll be guiding you to play this Dusty Trip game. So if you're a beginner, you are watching the right video. First of all, we need to stand in this box, square box, and wait for the time to be complete. And once we just run out of the time, we will be entering the game. So right now the time countdown started already, so we have to wait for these seconds to enter into the game. So let's wait for it. Now once we enter the game, guys, now first of all open this door. You can use your hand, just use your mouse to open your this door. Just drag the mouse and your this door will be open. Try to open it. If you're a beginner, you may find difficult. So now once it is open, now this is our actually the garage, and just open the door using your mouse again and open the other door as well similarly. So just try to open, move your mouse in opposite direction. Now this is a car, guys. First of all, we have to assemble this car to use it or to drive it. So first of all, we have to start assembling it. Let's collect all the tires and put and arrange, just place it in the right position. So let's place it one by one. Now once you put all the tires, guys, now just place starting the windows of the car one by one. So you will see the instruction how can you place all the windows and all the things. Just open this door and you will find two windows, other windows in the basement. Just collect both windows and just put and place it to the other side as well. So this is our final window, and after this, guys, now start placing other things. Now uh, let's put the dipper first. So you can just take and put it in the front. So once you place this dipper, now you have to place another one. So you can place, there is also a radiator. We can place it first. Just take it, grab it, and it has to be in the front of the car. So let's put it there. Yeah, once you place it, now we can collect other things, like there's a engine as well. Just put it in the front of the car, in the front. So let's put it there. Yeah, just place it, just place properly. So you may find difficulty while placing it because there should be some notify to place it. So I am finding, let me, if you find difficulty, just drop it and place it. So since this is a new game, it has a lots of bugs, so you have to bear with it. Now place this uh, cover as well. I don't know what it is called because I have no car. I'm not familiar with the car things. So just guys support me so I can get my own car, my first car in my life. And yeah, once you place it correctly, now there's one more dipper over here. Just place it correctly in the front of the car. And yeah, there's it. Just place it there. Now there's one more thing, we need to put the cover of the front, and again I don't know what it is called, so let's just put it there. It is not that important to know the name. So now guys, since this car has lots of corrosion, so I just need to scrub it. So there is a scrub you can have to you keep this rubbing over the car. Just make sure that you are clicking left button of the mouse as well while doing this. I just forgot it, but now just use the left click of the mouse and your car will be free of corrosion. Now you can keep this anywhere you want. So now guys, we need to fill the fuel in the car to start it. So let's take it there and open this fuel container. You can use the mouse again, just drop it and use the mouse and just move your mouse to open it in the right direction, and just again grab the fuel can and just hold the left button of the mouse, and your fuel will start filling in your car. And it can you can fill up to 9 liter in the car. So once and the fuel can has 60 liters, so you can uh, take this fuel can with your car and you can use it later whenever you are running out of the fuel. So you can attach it and just close this fuel cap. So just close it. Yeah, and again it's taking a while now. Now guys, we are almost done. So guys, now you can open the windows and press E to sit over there, and uh, just press E to sit, and just close your door. Just close the door and just press the left button to put down the handbrake. Otherwise your car won't run. So but first of all, make sure to start engine. To start engine you have to press R button, and once you start your engine, put down the handbrake by using the left button of your mouse, and now you can run, you can start driving. So I think I just need to guys fix my tire. So there's one tire in the back which is misplaced, so I need to fix it first. I just need to guys place it properly again. Yeah, it's fine. Now let's go back to the car and let's drive again. I just came to recall that guys, the tire was misplaced when I was filling the tank, and now you can see I can drive my car and it's working properly, and hope you like it. So this is how you can play this game. Hope you like it, and yeah, that's it. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.